Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you study English for Matric, updated. Start by organizing the syllabus into small topics and set one clear goal per session. Use 25-minute focused blocks and 5-minute breaks to keep energy steady. Prioritize weak areas first and alternate reading with active practice like past papers and vocabulary drills. Keep a short weekly review to track progress and adjust the plan for balance and confidence. In this video, I will help you study English for Matric, updated. Begin each practice session with a timed past paper to simulate exam pressure. Follow with targeted writing practice, focusing on structure, thesis clarity, and concise paragraphs. Use flashcards for new vocabulary and review them daily in mixed order. End sessions by correcting errors and noting patterns to address in your next study block for steady improvement. In this video, I will help you study English for Matric, updated. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth makes calm, clear thinking about goals feel simple, which can help with study discipline and planning. It's an odd but effective mental nudge. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you study English for Matric, updated. Include daily reading of varied materials to expand exposure to different styles and vocabulary. Pair reading with short listening sessions from accessible podcasts or audio clips to boost comprehension and pronunciation. Practice summarizing passages aloud and orally answer sample questions to strengthen speaking skills and retention. Rotate genres weekly to stay engaged and build a broad language base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.